Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download the Karaoke from the Smule app. Now if you want to download the Karaoke from the Smule app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Smule app on a device. So if you have not installed the Smule app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Smule app, and as you can see, this is the home page of Smule, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar like feed, explore, songsbook, activity, profile, and all of it. Now to download the Karaoke from Smule, you just need to click on the option of profile, and here you'll see the various Karaoke which are done with your friends. So make sure that your recordings are in the public form. So if they are in the private form, then you won't be able to download it from the Smule app. So make sure that your recordings are public. And the thing is that you can't simply download the recording from the Smule app itself, because there is no the inbuilt download option available. So you may simply do one thing, that is you may scroll from the very top right on an iPhone, and you may simply screen record and you screen record your recording. So by screen recording your recording, you'll be also able to get it on your photos, and you'll be able to download it like this. But if you're an Android user, then you will find the app which says song downloader for Smule. So you may simply install it, and you may simply paste the link of your recording, and you may simply download it from there. So that's it. That's how you can download the Karaoke from Smule. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.